Hello students, now come to the first exercise of this chapter, exercise 6.1. Here question says what will be the unit digit of the squares of the following number. If we start making a squaring of 81, 272, 799, 3853 like this, what will be the unit digit in the result number? So it's very simple. Whenever we used to see, I've already prepared the squares for 1 to 10, it will be easy for you to understand. 1 square gives you always 1 in the unit place. 2 square, any number is having 2 in its unit place. If we square that one, we will get a result which will have 4 in its unit place. 3 square, if any number is having 3 in its units place, if we square that number, definitely we will get a perfect square whose ones place will be 9. Same thing for 4 square we are getting 6, for 5 square we are getting 5, for 6 square we are getting 6, 7 square we are getting 9, 8 square we are getting 4, 9 square we are getting 1. So if we multiply 81 into 81, so 1 square means, see, look at here what I want to say, that 81 into 81, 1 1 ja 1, again 8, then 8 1 ja 8, it is just 64. So 1, 6 carry 1, 5, 6, 6 5 6, again we are getting 1. So it means squaring 1 square gives you 1 square gives you 1. So we can say that what will be the unit digit of the square of the following number? Here I will we will get 1 here in the unit digit. Same thing for 272. If we multiply 272 into 272, 2 2 is 4. So we are getting 4. So we will get 4 here. It's very simple. Here 799. If you multiply 799 means like this. 799. Ultimately what we are doing? We are multiplying 9 into 9. 2 times the same thing. 9 9 ja 81. We will get 1. 9 9 ja whatever. 81 we will get here. So we will write 1. See, if you multiply 3 square, 3 3 ja 9. We are getting 9 here. Same thing, 4 4 16. So we will get 6. 7 7 ja 49. We will get 9. Here 8 8 is 64, so we will get 4. Here 0, ultimately square means 2 zeros we will get. So unit digit will be 0. 6 is 36, so we will get 6. 5 5 25, we will get 5. So in this way it will be very easy to understand. Very simple. Now come to the next question. The following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. They have given us the number which are not perfect square, but they are asking what is the reason. Give reason. See, look at here. I have used all the digits right from 1 to 0. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. If I start squaring of all these numbers, I am getting these numbers where I am getting 1 4, you can say 5 6 and 9 and 2 zeros, even number of zeros. Let me tell, forget about 0 right now. From 1 to 9, I am getting 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 in the units place. Whenever I square these numbers, right now it is single digits. If you make it double digits, triple digits, whatever, if we square those numbers, always you will get, suppose if we square 9 square, suppose 399. So whatever may be the result, if we square that one, we will get always 1 in its ones place. Here also suppose 6748, whatever. If we square that one, whatever may be the result will come. We will get 4 in its ones place. So in this way we can say that we are getting how much? 1 we are getting, 4 we are getting, 5 we are getting, 6 we are getting, then directly 9 we are getting. Is that clear? And for, suppose if I square any number of zeros, that will be double up. See, if I use single 0, 10 square, it gives you even number of zeros. If I use even number of zeros, it will be double up, means 4, again even number. See, if I odd number of zeros, it will become 6 zeros, again it is even number of zeros. Means if a number ends with even number of zeros, then there is a possibility is that will be a square number. But if ends with odd number of zeros, then it is definitely sure that it is not a perfect square number. So right now we can see that for a squared number, if you are getting 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, there is a possibilities that those numbers are what? Squared number. But we are missing here 2 and 3. See, 2 and 3 and 7 and 8. So if the number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros 1, 3, 5 like this, those are definitely not a perfect square number. So the following numbers are obviously not perfect. Here they are not perfect square number. Give reason. Reason is that the number which ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 and odd number of zeros are not perfect square number. Here see, 7 is there, 3 is there, 8 is there, again 2 is there, see odd number of 0 is here, again 2, see odd number of zeros, again odd number of 0. So this is the reason why the number which ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 and odd number of zeros are not perfect square number. Now the squares, now come to the third question. The squares of which of the following would be odd numbers? Look at here. 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd, 6 is even, 7 is odd, 8 is even, 9 is odd, 10 is even. If you see, square of odd is always odd. Odd square, 1 square always gives you 1. 3 is odd, gives you 9 odd number. 5 square is a odd, gives you 25 odd number. 7 is a odd, square of this 49 is a odd number. 9 is odd, square of 9 is 81 is a odd number. If you go to the even number, 2, square of 2, 4 which is even number. 4 is a even number, square of this 16 even number. 6 even number, square of this 36 even number. 8 is square, 8 is even number, 64 even number. So you can see that square of an odd number will be always an odd and a square of even number will always an even. So the square of which of the following would be odd? Here it is 1, then this will be odd. Square of this number will be odd. Okay, 6, it will be even. Square of this number will always even. 9 is odd. So the square of this number will always an odd. 4 is even number. So it will be, the result will be even if you square of this one. So I hope you have understood all these 3 questions very nicely. Thank you. Now come to the next questions. The next questions are of this exercise 6.1, question number 7, 8, 9. See here. Without adding, find the sum. It's very simple here. You can see here we have all the odd number, consecutive odd numbers we have. So remember that when we try to find the square roots, when I explained in the chapter, when we try to find the square root, what we did repeated subtraction of the odd numbers consecutively. So if we add the odd numbers, the result will be number of odd numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5 square. It will be 5 square without finding sum. So it will be equal to 25. How? See, 9 plus 1 gives you 10. 7 plus 3 gives you 10, means 20 plus 5, 25. So 5 square. Simply what we will do, if it is in consecutively written 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like this here, no any odd number is missed out, then what you will do, just count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 odd numbers are here, so 5 square gives you 25. Here also you can see all the numbers, odd numbers are written consecutively. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Consecutively is there. So that's why what we will do, simply we will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is equal to 10 square. It will be equal to 100. Now come to question number 8. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. The 7 odd numbers, 49 means 7 7 ja 49 means 7 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 11, that is 6 plus 13. So if you add all these numbers, you will get 49. See, look at here. 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. See 9 here, carry 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 49. So answer is 49. Very simple. Okay, now come to question number 9 here. In question number 9, how many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? If you square it 12 and you square this 13, so whatever may be the result is there, in between how many non-square numbers are there? Let's take an example. Suppose 3 and 4. Square of 3 square gives you 9, 4 square gives you 16. Now if you subtract this one, 16 minus 9 gives you how much? 7. Okay, but if you, this is the difference between the squared numbers. Now if you take this one, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Question says that how many numbers lies between this 9 means what? 3 square, and 16 means what? 4 square. So between 3 square and 4 square, between. So we will not count 9, we will not count 16. Simply we will count the numbers which are in between 9 and 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But difference we are getting how much? 7. But actually the number means somehow we are counting either 16 or 9. So what we will do, look at here. This, if we take 3 as an n, then 4 means what? 3 plus 1 means n plus 1. Okay. Now if we square it, square, the difference between these two will be, see, sorry, n plus 1 whole square and minus n square. It will be a square minus b square, means a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b and a minus b. Here n cancel and 1 into this, the number will remain like this. So n plus 1 plus n, it is twice n plus 1. So twice n plus is the difference. As I told you here, 16 minus 9, you are getting 7. So it is the difference between the square of these two. But the actual is how much? It is 6. Actual means what? The number which lies between 3 square and between 4 square, 16, is how much? 6. But difference is 7. It means the number which lies in between the square of these two numbers should be 7 minus 1. And difference is this. So difference is twice n plus 1. Then the number in between these two numbers will be 7 minus 1. It will be what? Twice n plus 1 minus 1 equal to twice n. So you got the idea now. So the number which lies between squares of two consecutive numbers, suppose 3, 4, here 12, 13, 25, 26, 99, 100. What we will take? If we take the first number as an n, the next number will be n plus 1. So the result, the difference between the square of two numbers will be twice n. Okay, so it will be how much? If we take 3 as n, so 2 into n gives you 6. See, here we are getting 6 number. So simply for question number 9 1, what we will write here? We will write for this twice n, where n is equal to 12, because the lowest one, this is n plus 1. So 2 into 12 gives you 24. 24 non-squared numbers you will find in between the square of 12 and the square of 13. Now same way here also, in this case also, twice n, where n equal to how much? 25. So 2 into 25 gives you 50. So 50 non-squared numbers are in between 25 square and 26 square. Same case here also, twice n, where n equal to 99. So 2 into 99, 118, 8 carry 118, 198. So 198 non-square numbers lies between the square of 99 and square of 100. So I hope you have understood these maths very nicely. Thank you.